Hi everybody, Josiah here, also known as Chilling Silence, and we got some really cool news coming from Decent because they are adding Bech32 support to their handy dandy wallets. So this is really quite cool. Now this is, they mentioned SegWit, this is specifically going to be Bech32 addresses. This is addresses that start with DGB1. Now the benefits here is it's going to be using less space on the blockchain, so it is cheaper for transactions. And in addition, there's no ambiguity when you're sending back and forth with people. So big thank you to Decent because this is really cool. This is something that we are looking to push throughout 2020. We're looking to make these Bech32 address formats the default as of the new 8.19 upgrade. So wallets need to add support for it. Sooner the better. I know that there's still a couple of others that are popular that need to add it as well, but it's really good to see this kind of thing coming out from the likes of Decent. So if you haven't already, I've previously reviewed their wallet, quite liked it, thought it was great. I'll include a link to that in the description below. Thank you to the team there for adding Bech32 support to their wallet for DigiByte. So one of the other things as well is we've got the DigiFact. So today's DigiFact is talking about algorithms. Now, I wanted to kind of explain this a little bit more because the trouble is when I'm writing these things, it's hard to kind of cram in all the information that I'd really like to into, like, that much space. Or that much space, but whatever. So the difference, I want to kind of explain this just a little bit more. So with X16R, they've got 16 different algorithms. These are all of them here. The way that this specifically works is, let's say I'm mining and you're mining, and we're both at the moment mining the Grostel algorithm here, number 2. What would happen is somebody finds a block. Let's say that Jared Tate finds a block, and he sends us this hash here. So the previous block hash, what we're then going to do is take these final 8 bytes, says we use it to figure out which one we do next. So let's say, for example, we would choose, I don't know, let's go with the Whirlpool algorithm. Everybody is then going to mine this particular Whirlpool algorithm. So, although X16R has a whole lot of sub-algorithms, which you can see in here, it's technically still one algorithm. Because we all move and we all change to mine that same sub-algorithm at the same time. So, the way that this works, X16R is the hashing algorithm that it uses. DigiByte has a bunch of different ones, so we've got 5 of them, and they all compete for every single block. So we have some miners that are specifically just Scrypt miners, like Litecoin miners, for example, and they always, 100% of the time, only ever mine Scrypt. They try every single block, and they're competing with all of the other miners that are mining Skeen, and all the other miners that are mining Odocrypt, for example. This is very different from the likes of X16R, where everybody changes to mine this one particular sub-algorithm. So there's definitely a lot of security benefits from this particular way. It does mean that the hash power is more spread thin, but we gain a lot more from our multi-shield. So just kind of clarifying that a little bit, because I know that it's not the most obvious in the way that I've written this in here. Big shout out to the team who post these every single day for us. They, wake up in the morning and share a new DigiFact, and I'm really grateful that they do this. So big thank you to them. But anyway, hopefully this clarification has helped. If you do have any questions about this, feel free to either jump in the mining channel, the developers channel, the general channel on Telegram. A whole lot of people there who are more than happy to help you out. That's going to be all from me for today. You can reach out to me in the comment section below. Consider leaving a like, hit the subscribe button, share this video with other people who you think might be interested in it. You can reach me on Twitter. I'm at DGB_chilling. Otherwise, I'll talk to you in the next video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.